Ever wondered why your plants aren't thriving as they should? Perhaps the secret lies beneath the surface. Struggling plants may be victims of an unseen culprit, soil pH. Unveil the mystery by diving into the world of soil pH. Soil pH sounds technical, doesn't it? But it's simpler than you think. Let's break it down. Soil pH is all about the acidity or alkalinity of your soil. Imagine a scale from 0 to 14, with 7 smack in the middle as the neutral point. Anything below 7, you're looking at acidic soil. Above 7, we're talking alkaline. And just like us humans, plants have a preferred pH range where they feel most comfortable. Now, how does this pH business affect your beloved plants? Well, think of soil pH as a sort of gatekeeper. It determines which nutrients are available for absorption by our green friends. Imagine preparing a lavish feast, but the dining room door is locked. That's what happens when the soil pH is either too high or too low. Essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium can't get to the plants. Conversely, extremely high or low pH levels can unlock the door to harmful substances, potentially causing damage to your plants. So, it's not just about having the nutrients, it's about making them accessible. Getting the pH right is like preparing a balanced meal for your plants. So, what's the scoop on soil pH and your plants? Let's circle back to the essentials. Soil pH is a key player in nutrient availability. Too acidic or too alkaline conditions can cause your plants distress. Plus, each plant variety has its own pH sweet spot. So it's vital to know and adjust your garden soil's pH accordingly. Remember, a happy plant starts with the right pH. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening wisdom.